Ayan po yung mga numero natin galing sa ating third set. Kung saan nakita naman natin yung FEU, grabe yung bulusok nila sa atake, Michelle. Oh.
15 versus 7.
Yeah.
And 2 out of their, and 2 players, double digit ang attack points nila.
So far, so good, yeah.
Sila yung reason kung bakit na-engganyo or excite maglaro yung mga batang players ng FEU.
Well, and they're also inspiring right now a lot of young players out there that if these youngsters can do it, so can they. As Coco Wang, she's not a youngster. Well, 28 is still pretty young. Pero she gets the first point. Para dito, tandaan po natin at Meralco won the first set. Tama sinabo, 25-12. Gulping-gulpi FEU doon. Tapos dikit yung second set, 25-22. Nakuha pa rin ng Meralco. But then FEU got the third set by a score of 25-18. Jen Reyes, yan ang kailangan ding tumulong para sa Meralco. Phil Kainglet, yes.
Yeah. Their attacks are coming back.
Lusot sa kamay. At ito ngayon, our friends from Shakey's. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mga fans mo kasi, mamaya dyan mo ako i-treat, ha? Bagito ka
libre naman dyan eh.
Oy, dapat well, hindi na naabutan tuloy ni Giselle C. Yung mga fans mo kasi, Michelle, nagpapabati naman daw sa'yo. Ang dami, hindi ko naman pwedeng individual. So, batiin mo na lahat ng mga fans mo na nakikinig ngayon dito or napapanood tayo ngayon sa live streaming at saka sa GMA News TV.
Everybody is witnessing my birthday. Shakey's, hello to everyone.
The first day of the rest of your life.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you for making us trend today.
Yun. Naku,
I hope they're enjoying the game as much as we are.
Arena, although, that's a great serve coming from Remy Palma. A lot of people still want to see you play.
Soon.
Soon. Yan. So 3-2 right now, Meralco with a 1-point lead. Here's April Jose going to Maika Morada. Blocked there by Simborio. And now to go Phil Kainglet. Blocked by Malabanan. C. Going over to Richelle Bagang. Back set ngayon, Maika Morada. Yan ang matalino. Pinadaan sa kamay ni Bagang, was not in position. Wala nang umingiti sa Meralco.
They mean business.
4-2.
Kaya kung gusto nyo mag-charge ng cellphone, I think this is the perfect time to do it. Dahil kapag
tag-ulan na. Mahirap na. Well,
kapag natalo ang Meralco dito.
Maureen Penetrante Juan, you're able to get the point. And we'd like to thank our friends from Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Coco Wang. Natawag ko na ba siya Coco Lee kanina, no? Tapos na ako doon sa Coco Lee. Dumaan na. That ship has sailed. Ngayon, dito na kay Coco Wang. Ayan.
Error in her service. She's not happy about that one.
Oo, kasi every opportunity na binibigay ng Meralco dito sa FEU, lumalaki ang kumpiyansa nila. Nice serve there by Bagang.
They have nothing to lose eh. Kaya pag tignan mo sila, sobrang fresh ng wala nila lahat eh.
Ayan, may power tip na hatid sa inyo ng Meralco. Pwede ba yun, Barry? Power tip ni Phil Kainglet. Hatid sa inyo ng Meralco. Isa pang power tip. Pwedeng bumili kayo ng inverter air conditioner.
Yes. And wag masyadong buksan.
Ito ngayon, si Pons, nakangiti. Nakadig naman doon si Penetrante. Here's Paneng Mercado. Giselle C. Across, Bernadette Pons na naman. Nandun si April Jose. They go to Paneng once again. Puro sa open na ang bigayan dito. Oy! Jen Reyes, hindi nabuhay yung bola. No second ball coming. Isa pa yan.
Wala ng tao dun sa kabilang dulo ng court.
Makikita natin ang ating slow motion. Mercado.
Keeping that ball alive.
And Malabanan getting it across. Here's Paneng Mercado once again. Puro sa open na yung bigay dito ng Meralco, ha? Bernadette Pons, bumawi rin sa open naman. Back set. Morada.
Too high right there.
Oy, good save there coming from Bernadette Pons.
And
quick set. Ay, wala na.
Of course.
Pag dun mo na pinapunta kay M. Penetrante, that's it. We have a substitution dito. Ito si Genevieve Casugod seeing her first action. This girl is about 6'1". And she's about 17 years old also. So Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's B-League. Sinasabi nga ni Coach Shaq dito, yan ang project ngayon. But look at how tall this girl is. 6'0". Goodness gracious.
That was one.
Listed at 6'1". I don't think she's 6'1". She's closer to 6'2" already. Haba ng
pati yung
braso.
head referee natin. Pa-smile eh.
Oh, wow. Slow-mo brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. So Genevieve Casugod immediately making an impact. Laking babae nito.
Mahirap paghanap ng boyfriend.
Well, yeah. I'll take your word for it, 5'10" girl. Hop! And Casugod.
Na-carried away ata siya sa power.
Nabanggit mo kasi boyfriend, yan tuloy. 8'5", Meralco po, may kalamangan.